Hi, this is Chetna here. Today is 3rd October 2024. This is my 28th day of protest in front of Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, Bangalore, Karnataka. I've been protesting here for more than a month, but unfortunately, Karnataka government doesn't want to hear the cry of a Dalit woman. I so I'm sitting here in front of the office and asking for justice. They're not hearing my voice. So you can imagine the voices that which is the voices of my people, our community people who are there in villages and all. I'm sure most of the voice that raises in their mind will be ending there only. It will never come out of their mouth, because if it comes out also, these people will not listen. Though I am sitting here and speaking and asking and shouting and screaming and doing everything, they're not at all giving a ear to what I'm telling. But until they hear, until they see that in the society injustice is happening, until my voice really gets heard in their ears and registers in their brains, I'm not going to move out. They have to face the reality. You just can't show the carpet which is clean and neat when all the dust and all the problems are just put under the carpet. You can't present it like that and all. That won't work. Face the reality, remove the carpet, remove the layers of lies, see the reality. There's a lot of problem in the society. Face it and handle it. If you can't handle it, then it is the right time that people understand this party or any other party in this country right now is not ready to handle such complex issues. Though they though many people boast the very intelligent people in the world, they have higher IQ rates. They might have higher IQ rates, which is really of no use for the society, because it's not serving the society, not cleaning up the mess. You do with only brains when their heart is not working. There's an old saying which says, when it becomes between a heart and a mind, choose heart. But here they're always choosing mind and intelligence. The society is not at all fine. There's a lot of problem in the society. We need to show them there is the problem, and if we don't show them, they don't. Even when I'm sitting here and showing, they don't want to see. Until they don't understand there is a problem and they need to face it, I'll be sitting here every day telling them, you have to face this problem and you have to make the corrections. If you can't do that, kindly vacate. We need to bring in new people who will solve this kind of complex issue in this complex society. Today it's raining in front of KPCC. I have no idea how long I'll be able to sit here, because the droplets are falling on me as well. I just hope I will hang in or the rain will stop, or else I'll have to get up from here. Today in this condition, when rain is coming and everything has got wet down, so I can't sit down. I'll leave after the rain stops and I'll come back tomorrow to protest again.